Hello all, welcome to Money Text Guru. In this video, we are going to learn about textile acronyms which are related to spinning. Acronyms means an abbreviation formed from the initial letters of other words and are pronounced as a word. BCI. BCI stands for Better Cotton Initiative. It is a not-for-profit organization that exists to make the global cotton production better for the people who produce it, better for the environment it grows in, and better for the sector's future. Though BCI and its partners farmer will receive training on how to use water efficiently, care for the health of the soil and natural habitats, to reduce the use of most harmful chemicals and to apply decent work principle. BCI farmers implementing this system are licensed to sell better cotton. GRS. GRS stands for Global Recycled Standard. The GRS was originally developed by Control Union Certification in the year 2008 and ownership was passed to the Textile Exchange on 1st January 2011. The GRS is an international, voluntary, full product standard that sets the requirements for third-party certification of recycled content, chain of custody, social and environmental practices, and chemical restrictions. The GRS is intended to meet the needs of the companies looking to verify the recycled content of their products in both finished and intermediate, and to verify responsible social, environmental and chemical practices in their production. The objectives of the GRS are to define the requirements to ensure accurate content claims and good working conditions, and that harmful environment and chemical impacts are minimized. This includes the companies like ginning, spinning, weaving and knitting, dyeing and printing, stitching in more than 50 countries. The global recycled standard is intended for use with any product that contains at least 20% recycled material. RCS. RCS stands for Recycled Claim Standard. Just like GRS, RCS is also an international voluntary standard that sets the requirements for the third-party certification of recycled input and chain of custody. The goal of the RCS is to increase the use of recycled materials. The Recycled Claim Standard is intended to use for any product that contains at least 5% recycled material. GOTS. GOTS. GOTS stands for Global Organic Textile Standard. GOTS is an internationally recognized organic textile standard. Since its introduction in 2006, GOTS has demonstrated its practical feasibility and is supported by the growth in consumption of the organic fibers and the demand for the unified processing criteria from the industry and retail sectors. GOTS ensures the organic status of the textiles from the harvesting of the raw material through the environmentally and socially responsible manufacturing, all the way to labeling. In order to provide credible assurance to the customer, the standard covers the processing, manufacturing, packaging, labeling, finally trading and distribution of all the textiles made from at least 70% certified organic natural fibers. However, this standard does not set criteria for leather products. CVC. CVC stands for Chief Value Cotton. The yarn that are made from combining the cotton with polyester. Cotton is naturally derived fiber, and when it is combined with synthetic fiber like polyester, the yarn is called as CVC. Usually, the cotton content is more than 50% of the total combination with the polyester. A CVC yarn may be made of 55% or 60% or 80% cotton, with the remaining percentage indicating the amount of polyester used. TPI. TPI stands for twist per inch. Twist is the spiral arrangement of the fibers around the axis of the yarn. The twist binds the fibers together and also contributes to the strength of the yarn. The amount of twist inserted in a yarn defines the appearance and the strength of the yarn. The number of twist refers to twist per inch and is added in the spinning and plying process. If the twist inserted in the clockwise direction are called as S-twist yarn. The twist inserted in the anti-clockwise direction are called as Z-twist yarn. TM. TM stands for twist multiplier. TM is a unit which helps to decide the twist per unit length of different count from the same raw material. This is nothing but the angle of inclination of the helical disposition of the fiber in the yarn. The angle of inclination will be more on low TM yarn as mentioned in the top image, and the angle of inclination will be less on the high TM yarn as mentioned in the bottom image. And this TM varies based on the end use of the yarn like knitting or weaving. These are the three terminologies which we heard commonly while defining the quality of a polyester yarn: limb, him and nim. Let's see one by one in detail. Limb. Limb stands for light intermingled. The technology is explained in the image that when a loose bundle of filament yarn subjected to the effect of perpendicular turbulent cold air jet, the filaments will get intertwined and mingled with each other to form a compact section. If the frequency or number of compact section per unit length is less, or the distance between the two compact section is more, we call it as light intermingled or slight intermingled yarn, SIM. Him. Him stands for high intermingled. If the frequency or the number of compact section per unit length is more, or the distance between the two compact section is less, we call it as him, the high intermingled yarn. Nim. Nim stands for non-intermingled yarn. From the name only, we can easily understand that there won't be any intertwined or mingled compact section in the filament yarn. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share. Please post your comments in the comments box. Catch you all in the next video. Till then, bye from Money Text Group. Bye bye.